Donut dreams do come true. Let's make donuts. Homemade donuts are the best. Warm, soft, and covered in sugar. So delicious. You can make them too. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Making donuts is fun for everyone. Kids love to help. You can make different shapes. Everyone smiles when they see a donut. Baking brings joy. It's special to share homemade treats. Let's bake. Yeast of Eden, gathering your ingredients. First, we gather our ingredients. We need flour for a soft dough. Sugar adds sweetness. Yeast makes the donuts light and airy. Milk and eggs add richness and help the dough rise. Don't forget the butter. Butter makes the donuts tender. A pinch of salt balances the sweetness, and a splash of vanilla adds a warm flavor. Now we're ready to bake. From dough to delight, shaping your donuts. Let's mix our ingredients. We'll activate the yeast in warm milk and sugar. Then we'll combine it with the flour, eggs, and melted butter. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Now let the dough rise in a warm place. It will double in size. This is the yeast working its wonder. Once it's doubled, punch it down and roll it out. Use cookie cutters to make fun shapes. Frying and glazing, the sweet finish line. Time to fry. Heat oil in a pot. Carefully place the donuts in the hot oil. Fry them until they're golden brown. Be careful, the oil is hot. Once they're cool, let's glaze them. Mix powdered sugar with milk and vanilla. Dip the donuts in the glaze. Delicious, you did it, you made homemade donuts. Enjoy!